Oh, yeah?
Mommy?
Yeah?
Where's that?
I'm using it. Yeah? Yeah? You telling a story? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Yeah? Oh, tell me about it. Yeah. Oh, yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah? Really? Oh, really? Oh, really? That's a good story. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, that sounds sad. That sounds sad. Hannah, will you come hold this while I pick him up? Here, let's fix you up a little. Here. You want to sit up and talk to Hannah?
Talk to me.
Talk to Hannah? Yeah? You want to tell her the story? Oh, that's what the problem was. Got a little gas in there. You want to tell Hannah about it?
No.
Oh, he's going to sit a little. You're going to shut it off.